Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I am going to show you the first of my fall decor, and I was so excited to make this. I will probably be sick of fall decor by the time it actually turns fall, but I just took a couple of the summer items I had here, which was the shovel and a rake and some fall leaves and some raffia, and turned it into this cute outdoor fall planter, hanger, I don't know what you want to call it, but I think it turned out cute. So let me go ahead and show you how I made these. For this project, I needed a play rake, a play shovel, and I'm just using half of a tin cookie sheet here from another project. And then I'm using my Rust-Oleum in the dark bronze. It's Rust-Oleum hammered. And I took those outside. I gave them 2 coats of spray paint. I did the best I could, and I noticed there was a little bit of yellow, but I don't think you can see it on camera here. But I went ahead and just sprayed everything. And to get started, I'm gonna start with the shovel. And you guys, I kind of just had to play around with it. I'm not sure the best way to describe what I did here, but I just kind of kept folding I'm going to call it the cookie sheet, around the bottom half of the shovel here. I kind of made some indents, and then I just kind of kept trimming it off. I at first was going to wrap the cookie sheet all the way around to the back side of the shovel, and the more I played with it, I just didn't like the way it looked by doing that. So I decided to keep trimming and ended up just fitting it inside the shovel. So you'll see I'm kind of playing with it, trying to see if I like that. Kind of wrapped around, and I don't know, I just didn't care for that look. I wanted it to kind of look like it belonged, sort of. So I decided here to trim some off, and then again I'm going to make it fit to where those little flaps go on the inside. You can see I also wrapped the bottom around the the cookie sheet around the bottom of the shovel, just to kind of give me that shape and see exactly how I wanted it to fit. The best thing I can say is you just have to play with it a little bit and see what works best for you and what look you like the best. Now I ended up hot gluing the cookie sheet on the inside there of the shovel. I was not sure if this was going to hold, so I did use some clear packing tape as well, just to make sure that it stayed on. So here you can see I wrapped the cookie sheet all the way around the bottom to the back and secured it with some hot glue and just a little bit of packing tape. And then I'm going to just place my hand inside the pocket I created here and just make sure everything is secure and just kind of smooth everything out. Now I think I am ready to add my floral to these projects. So for the rake, I'm going to use this fall leaf, this garland here. I love these colors. They're just so pretty. And for the shovel, I've got some dahlias, hydrangeas, and sunflowers, and I'm going to just cut those off the stem and just try to arrange those inside the shovel the best I can. Now you guys, I am not a florist. I am not good at floral arrangements. I just do the best I can, and sometimes it just doesn't work. So I apologize, you guys who are cringing at my floral arrangement here, but it is what it is, but it works for me.
Can't you let me go?
Now for the rake, again, I'm just going to wrap the garland around the rake here and just kind of weave it in and out. I didn't want to cover up too much of the rake, but I also wanted to make sure that the floral, the leaves there look thick enough, maybe is the right word. So I just kind of played with it until I liked it, and then I'm just going to take some packing tape and secure it to the back. Now you'll notice on this one, I'm not using any like hot glue or anything to secure the flowers. I just kind of place them in there. I want to be able to maybe change this out if I see something else that I like better, or maybe just change it out with this season. So I just kind of pulled off some flowers from the rest of the garland. I'm sorry, the leaves from the rest of the garland and just kind of filled it in, just to, again, give it a little bit of a fuller look. And then here I'm going to take the raffia, and I really do not like working with this, guys. I think I said this in another video, but I'm terrible with working with it. But I'm just going to create a big bow here, and I'm just going to let the kind of tails of the bow just hang down kind of the length of the handle of the rake. I'm also going to add a bow out of the raffia for the shovel as well. And then all I have to do is hang these up outside. So here it is, you guys, my first fall craft of the year, this Dollar Tree DIY fall outdoor decor is what I'm going to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. This channel is all about DIYs, crafts, and Dollar Tree stuff, of course. And I would love to have you part of this family. We have a lot of fun here, and I have a lot new things coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, everyone, have a great day.